Hello and welcome to another YouTube video. We're comparing three similar styles with similar stamp or cut or the sunflower, however different color. So hopefully the color will actually show. So this is the black color. This is the 5515 black. It's a smooth finish, as you can see. This is powder coated and it has one coat. That should be enough to make the cup rust resistant and weatherproof. The second style, a similar style actually, however, it has double coating to give it this color, this deep color. And the painting or the coating actually happens inside the cup and outside, similar to this one as well, but it's the same style, but it's a different color. Finally, so this one is the 5515 DST. And the last one is the 5515 patina. We've seen this in a previous video. It's a similar, again, stamp, similar kind of cut, but it's a different color. So this is the black, this is the patina, and this color code is called stucco. So again, black, stucco, and patina. Please like and subscribe for good luck. Thank you.